Vandana, please continue.
Okay, sir. So, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So, how are you all?
We are fine. Fine.
Yeah, everybody's classes are started?
Yeah.
Okay. Then, so today let us start our class of recapping session of HTML. So, I'll be asking you questions in today's class and you should guide me. And as you guide me, I'll follow your instructions by the questions I ask. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So, firstly, I'll ask some questions and then go for processing. So, can anybody tell me in detail what a HTML, according to what you understood, what HTML is?
Can I?
Yes, you can.
HTML, it means that hypertext markup language, and it is used for coding, like putting some simple codes and making a new page, creating a web page.
Yes, it's right, Trisha. Thank you. Is anybody having interest in telling the answer? Any others? Nobody? Okay. So HTML is a simple coding scripting language and we use this HTML tags mainly for the creation of web pages. Yes, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This
Yeah.
HTML fully stands for hypertext markup language. As Trisha has already told that it is used for web pages. By using many tags you create a website. Okay, understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this
Yeah.
HTML has many versions, like it started from so many versions it has, and now the basic structure also we are having in HTML. Do you know the basic structure of HTML, everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many do we have? Basic structures.
We
Anybody?
have three structures. We have three basic structures.
No, we have four main elements of that structure. So in HTML structure, mainly four elements are there. Can anybody try naming them?
Can
Can
I?
I? Can
Element,
I?
Veda,
title,
Veda.
body.
Uh,
HTML, head, title, and body.
Okay. So HTML is a obviously used tag. So main will be head, title, body, and link. Link
Yeah.
is the one. Yeah. So can anybody tell me the uses of these elements? One can say about each thing. Diksha, you can.
Yeah, in the HTML head part, we write head consists of title. In the head, we write the title of our web page, what the title should be displayed.
Okay. Thank you, Trisha. Very good. Anybody about title?
Can I?
Trisha, you have been answering very well, so let's others also answer.
Can I?
Can I?
Diksha, you answered recently. Disha, who is Disha R?
Yeah.
You can ask say.
Yeah. So title is used in HTML to give the title to our web page. Like it contains the what we are doing a web page. It helps to give a title to our web page.
Okay, very good. So title is nothing but a tag which is under the head tag. So then what a body tag is? It's a simple and easy one.
Can I?
Yes, Gagan, you can.
Can, so body tag is nothing but all the information which is we need to input into the website.
Yes, that's right, Gagan. So that's a body of the document, the website. It contains the actual information about which you are writing in that web page. Then, okay, everybody is answering very well. So you learned what a HTML is and HTML structure is. So you can name me some tags which we use in HTML, simple tags. Anybody?
Can I?
Yes, you can.
H1, H6 mark, delete.
Yes. Okay.
Mark you tag.
Can
Yes,
I?
mark you tag.
Can I?
Paragraph
Bold,
tag.
italic,
Yes, paragraph tag, bold and italics.
Break tag.
Emphasize.
Break
strong
tag.
tag,
Okay,
Strong
okay.
tag.
Tag.
Okay, yes, that's all right. So now let us do once and see. Okay?
yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm. Is my screen visible for everyone?
Yeah.
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 Okay. So where should I go for creating a web page?
Notepad.
notepad,
HTML.
Notepad.
Notepad.
Notepad. Mm. Okay. What should I do first when I go for Notepad?
You need to save it.
Save the document.
So how
Save the
will I save the web page?
You should go to
Go
Go
file,
to
file.
file.
Go to
File.
file.
Go to save as. Then
Save as.
type
save
what
and
name you want
Save
and
as.
then
HTML.
give it
Any
HTML.
one of
And
you?
save it.
Okay, I went for save as.
Give a name. Then give any name.
Name. Okay.
Then give
Dot
HTML
HTML.
extension.
Dot
Yeah.
HTML.
Dot HTML, which is very important. Why is it is important?
And save.
Because it converts the document to HTML file.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, very good. You have been answering very well. So, Dhanalakshmi?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, for creating a basic HTML format, you named me some structures, no? So, how the tag will start of
Yeah.
that? Yes.
Open tag.
Okay.
Open tag. HTML.
Yes.
Then close the tab.
Okay.
Next head.
Yes.
Next title.
Close the tag end.
Yeah. Open the tag.
Okay. Next,
And
we'll
close
go
the
for
tab.
title tag. Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Dhanalakshmi. Next is the title tag. So, and name me any tags which you want for the title.
Mark you.
We want
Mark
H1.
you.
Okay. Okay. Mark you, only mark you cannot be put. There is one thing you need to specify in this. What is that?
Direction.
mark you
direction,
direction.
Yeah, how can I specify it? Yes, tell me the tags. Any one of you. Tell me how it is. Nobody? Gagan Gowda?
Double inverted comma.
First equal sign.
Double inverted comma.
Okay.
Left.
Hmm.
Double inverted comma close.
Okay.
Then close the mark you tag.
Okay. So you specified the direction where your title should be moving. Okay, then title, any title ideas for your title? Any title?
Recap.
Recaption.
Recap of HTML is enough, right? Yeah, now you need to close a tag. So this tag is closed by putting a slash, then mark you tag. And instead of mark you tag, you have so many other tags like bold, italics. You can use any of it, which is left up to you, how you want the web page to be created. And now what tag should be closed? Another one?
Title tag.
Title tag.
Yes, with a slash we close the title tag. So this HTML is the tag we used, and under the head tag there is a title tag which is coming. That is the only tag we find in the head section. Is that clear and no doubts?
No.
Okay. So now lastly we will close the head tag with a slash. So this is the starting of your web page. Next content is the body tag. The body tag. This is the body tag. So what can I write about today's class? As I mentioned before, what we are going to do in this class? Tell me any points.
Recapping about the
Recapping.
session we had about attributes.
Recapping about previous sessions.
Yeah.
Can we use paragraph tag here?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
how paragraph tag will be?
P.
One tag
Okay.
P.
P.
And close
Then
tag?
close tag.
Okay. Recapping the previous sessions. Okay. Now I'll close the paragraph tag. Why will we use this paragraph tag?
So that the content can come in a paragraph format.
A lot of
Yes, if lot of information is there, you don't want it to be clumsy in looking, you can use paragraph tag. Here we can we can extend it further, and you want this in a perfect paragraph format, you'll use another one tag. Can you guess what the tag is? Anybody? It's easy. You have seen that in many class. Did anybody get it?
Break tag.
order list and order list.
It's a break tag, line break, BR. So, can anybody tell me the reason why break tag doesn't have a slash in the ending of it?
Because it
Because
is
it
an
is
endless
empty
tag.
tag.
T tag.
Yeah, it doesn't have a end tag, so it's a no end tag. So we just write it like that. So recapping of the previous class sessions, then I am doing a questioning session. Questioning. Yeah. We can close break paragraph tag. So now what tag will I be closing now? What tag will I be closing?
Body.
Body tag.
Body.
Yeah, body tag. Then the HTML tag.
Tag.
This is the full obvious basic format of your HTML web page creation. Is it clear with this structure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. We have seen in the previous classes so many things we have came across. So we came across how to create a web page using many different tags using the basic structure of HTML, how to insert the shapes, how to insert the pictures. We used like background color, text color, so many things. So can anybody tell me how to insert a background color?
Discharge rate and even process the
Prithvi, can you mute your audio? Yeah, so can anybody tell me how to insert a background color for this HTML web page? What's the tag used for it?
It BG color.
Okay, where should I put that PG color for?
Before
The
the
body,
body tag closes.
for the body tag.
For the
body tag.
In place where the body tag has started,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So how the tag is?
Body text.
Body text equals
No,
blue.
I'm saying the background color, so it starts like BG.
The color equals
PG color equals random.
Yeah, any color of the wish. DG color is the tag for background color, right?
Yeah.
Okay, equals, specify the color
Double
you want. So what color can I give?
blue.
gray.
Okay, blue and double inverted comma close, and the tag will be also closed. And this is how you insert a background color for the HTML page. And let us see how this is. Before going to see the output, the main step is you need to save. And now the web page will be displayed on the screen. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Any tag is been missing? No tag is missing. We'll see it later. So this is the color we use for background color tag. So we learnt about another topic like ordered list, unordered list, definition term and definition description. Do you all remember it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, can you tell me how the tag looks like?
Open
Order
tag OL
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 tag.
OL tag is of which list?
order list.
Ordered
tag
list.
list.
So what is ordered list used for?
And it prints the list
Ordered
in a
that
way.
it orders the list in a uniform manner.
Yes, when you want, the word itself tells ordered manner. So, ordered list is taking the list of items or something you want in a order wise manner. So, it comes in a numeric format, like in the MCQs, question and answers, you might have seen the questions will come order wise. So, to make that come in order wise, you need to use ordered list. So, for that, what you need to do, you need to use another tag, list. This tag is used for list tag. And can you tell me something which you want it to come in an order wise manner? So in a like alphabetical manner. Tell me something that starts from A. Anybody?
Alphabet.
Apple.
Apple. Okay. Next. Next. Anything from B?
Ball.
Banana.
Okay. Go on.
Cat.
So you can see me, I am writing a few sentences in capital letter, few sentences in small letter. Why will it matter or will it not matter for me in writing in this capital and small letter? Will it make any difference? Anybody has an idea? Anybody? No one? Okay, this is because the HTML is not case sensitive, which means even if you use capital letter or small letter, it doesn't matter because it is not case sensitive. That is why we can use capital letter or small letter. Now is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what ordered list looks like. So it comes in a order wise manner. So another one list type is there. What is that?
Another list.
Unordered.
So I'll replace O with U. UL. UL is unordered list. So unordered list is nothing but which you list of items or things which you don't want it to come in a order wise manner. It doesn't matter in what format it comes. Yes, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You tell me about any other things which you like. Like name some things. Anybody? Okay. We'll write eraser.
Toys.
Okay, we write toys. And we write cars. So unordered list of the items which comes in non-order manner. Okay, is this completely okay with everybody? No doubts till this portion for anybody?
No.
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 Okay. Then we come across two more new terms. What is that? In this list,
Description and definition list.
List.
yeah, definition term and definition list. So tell me what actually definition term means.
Defining a particular term.
Defining, okay. Definition term is nothing but a description of a sentence is simplified and given like in a word. Like we saw in previous classes for the study of a weather and climate. This is a description. For this to be told in a simpler word, you use meteorology, right? You
Yeah.
have seen
Yeah.
this in
Yeah.
previous classes. So first DL is the definition list. This is definition list tag. Then we have D and T. DT. What is DT?
Definition term.
Yeah,
Definition.
definition term. The what term did I use just now a while ago? Meteorology is what a word
Methodology.
I used. So DT is definition term. Then DD is
Definition description.
yes, definition, description. So what is definition, description of this? This the study of weather and climate. I hope you are understanding.
Yeah.
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 Okay, weather and climate is the study of weather and climate is called meteorology. You just tell me names similar to the given example. Like,
Botany.
yeah, botany.
Botany.
Yeah. Then anything else? Name
Zoology.
Astrology. Astrology.
astrology. Okay, partially acceptable.
Zoology.
Yeah, zoology, geology, seismology. So many terms come like this, which gives a single mean word. definition term for one complete sentence. Is it okay with the list part?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, as we came across this, we also learned how to insert the shapes and images. Do you remember?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
tell me, where all should I make changes and what changes should I make and what tag should I insert to insert the image in the web page tags? Where alteration should I make in this web page?
You can just
You got me, no?
add a image tag and write the address of the image.
Diksha, come again.
Yeah, you just wanna open a image src tag and give the address of the image and give its height and width.
Yes. But firstly, the title should be changed. The title should be changed to the shape
As
you are inserting.
image or insert shape.
Yeah. So you're inserting, for example, if you take, you're inserting a shape named rectangle. So tag can change from mark you can change it to something else. Any name, so many variety of tags you have learned. So name any one of that for me.
Strong.
Okay. Strong tag is used for use of the
To
strong tag.
highlight the important text.
Yes, to highlight this tag. A strong tag we'll use. Then you have given title as rectangle. Then you have background color already set. If needed, if not needed, you can change this and give a color for your text. So how will you give a color for the text?
Body text
Body text
Okay.
equals
Hmm.
double inverted comma
Okay.
any color.
Okay. And I'll close the double inverted comma. Then we put the background color.
Yeah.
Background color, we
Equal.
can let it be white or any color. This is just the format, no? We are just recapping, so we are just giving random colors. White we gave. Then instead of paragraph tag, any other tag can be used. Can I use center tag here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Center tag can be used. Then you can rename this into rectangle because that's the shape. We are seeing the shapes. So rectangle. Then we can also use other tags. In center, it is the specifying the location where the tag should be. Any other tag we can use here? Can we?
Yeah.
Yeah, what tag? Tell me any tag. I'll use bold tag. Or you can even use italics.
You can also,
And use a font tag.
And
Yeah,
underline.
and you can use underline tag also, but you can give font size for this. So the font size like 8, 7, I'll give 7. And you can close this tag. Bold tag is there, you can use underline tag also. Then another tag. Which tag will you close now?
Bold. No.
Center.
Now you
Center.
close center afterwards. Now you will be closing the bold tag. In with this bold tag, we can use underline tag also or italics tag also. It depends like on your wish. Slash and underline tag. Yeah. Now what we should do? Now next step. Tell me. Don't anybody remember?
You
Yeah, I
can
remember.
just
To
type
see the
to
shape.
see shape of
Should
rectangle.
put the source of the image or the shape where you are inserting. So
Yeah,
before
you
somebody
can
mentioned image, IMG.
GSRC.
So in this tag, can you tell me which is the attribute we have
Attribute
came across this?
SRC.
Yes,
SRC.
SRC is right answer. So location, you'll be going and downloading the image, and then you'll put the location of the image. So for that location, you need to copy and paste the location after this with a double inverted comma. Okay, this is the tag you will use for putting the image source tag. Okay, and we'll just put a random location. So how the source of the image will be?
C
Yes.
colon
Okay.
slash
Yeah.
users
Continue.
users
Yeah.
slash
Mm-hmm.
del slash
Go on.
downloads
Okay. Yes.
slash nature
Mm-hmm.
dot jpg.
JPG is format of the image, no?
Yeah,
Yeah. Then you'll close it with the
yeah.
height and width you
If
can give if
you
needed.
give height and width, you can give. Then you can close.
Yes. Thank you and good Diksha.
Yeah,
Okay, height you can give 50 and width you can give the same or different, and you just close this tag. This is like a representation, similar representation of a location. This location may differ from the image you choose and download. Then this is the tag you use for inserting an image. You can use a anchor tag, a anchor tag. So tell me how the anchor tag is. So it is starts like a href the attribute,
yeah.
then equal
Equal
sign. Yes,
Equal.
rectangle dot html
double inverted comma.
rectangle dot html.
Okay.
Then close it.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can write click here.
Yes. Why is that important? With underline tag we can use, na?
Yeah, because if it doesn't mention click here, then they may not click it. If they click it, they goes directly to the address.
Yes, that's right.
Linked web page.
Yes, that's very right. This is the link. A href tag is used to link a web page with another web page. Click here specifies what will click here specify here, as Diksha told. If that the peoples are instructed by clicking here instruction, they know where the image will be, so they'll click the uh, button and they go for the another web page where the image will be or shape will be. Okay, like this you will write click here and you'll close what tag? You'll close the underline tag
Underline tag.
and
And
then the anchor tag.
anchor tag. Sorry.
Yes. Okay. Then now we'll close the center tag. Now we'll be closing the center tag with the slash and center. This you can use the similar format for inserting the image also, not only for shapes. Is this clear for everyone?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So can anybody tell me, in the last class we have learned something, a different concept. It was two concepts. Anybody remembers it?
Yeah, that was comments.
Yes, and
Family property.
yes,
Font.
font
Pro-
family property.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let us use it on here. So tell me, how should I go on? Head tag will be there. Now title tag will be there. Title will be comments. Comments, and you'll close the title tag. Then open the body tag. There,
Then
how the comment tag will be.
Open tag.
Okay.
Exclamatory mark.
Yes. Exclamation mark.
Then a comment, then close it.
A two hyphen.
Yeah, then
Yeah.
this comment,
This
then hyphen,
is a comment you should write.
two hyphen,
Two more hyphen.
close the tag.
And you'll close the tag. This is a comment tag. So what is it used for? It's basically not used much because it's an inbuilt one, will not be visible, but it is just used for a purpose of using.
It is used to when a
To
person
give
who
comment
a
about the
website
dot.
structure, it helps them to explain. When he comes to the website structure, then it is used to explain a particular part of it.
Yes, it's right. It's an inbuilt structure which will not be visible by outsource when you see in the web page. And you should be careful that this exclamation mark should come only at the first and not in the end. Okay. Okay, clear everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, then we'll
Yeah.
continue with the same way, like paragraph tag, italics, and we write about the title, about the main topic, and close the tags. Same way, we have seen another tag also. What's that tag used for? Name the tag. Another one is tag style, tag name style tag.
It specifies about the property and value.
Yeah, partially right. And for the HTML web page to be looked creative, interesting, and colorful, you will use this tag. So for this, you can use tag name, means the name of the tag, like H1 bold, like that. So you can use H1 h1 tag. Then you can write style, equal sign, double inverted comma. You can give color. Similar function it performs like background color, text color, same like that only. Now you put colon.
Col-
Colon and then any color like pink, red. Now close with semicolon. And double inverted comma will be closed. Tag will also be closed.
No.
This is a style tag. Then we learned font family. Font family. In place of this tag name, put another tag, italics. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
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 I hope you are understanding. I am not too fast, right?
No.
No.
These topics are previously been taught and I'm just recapping them. So in this now, what property we are going to learn? What tag name? Somebody said before.
Family.
Yes, it's
Font family.
font family. Yes, font family. Tell me the feature of this font family. Anybody? Okay, this font family tag is used to give style for your tag. Like, yeah, we have italics, bolts, and all, but to make it even more subscriptive and easy in seeing, like highlighting in a different format, not just tags, you have a text name, the font style name. So, like last class, we used courier. You remember?
Yeah.
We got a different style of font, format of the font, right?
Yeah.
So for that we use this courier is the name of the style tag. So font, you want the font to look different, you use different types of format. This is one of them. Now what should I do? Next sign. It is semicolon,
Double inverted comma closed.
then tag will be closed. Then you write the description with the body tag still open. You can use paragraph tag, marquee tag, and go on writing about the topic you want to. Then your tag will be closed, your web page will be completed. Is it okay for everyone? Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, any doubts till now which was taught?
No.
No.
Okay, no doubts, right? Okay, then. Then we learnt about HTML, all the types of tags, the structure of tag, what are the uses of tag, how to insert an image, shape, types of lists and their tags, and the other tag like a comment tag, font family tag, tag name style. So these many topics we have covered in our 9 classes of HTML. And I hope everybody understood this. Everybody did, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this was the last session of our HTML. No doubts, I guess.
No.
No.
Okay. How did you all felt in this class of HTML course? Was it clumsy, good?
It was pretty good.
Okay. You can tell me your honest feedback for my improvement also. I can. Anybody can? Tell me about how you felt about my class.
It was very nice, and thank you for teaching so far. The journey was good learning HTML with you, and the way you teach was very nice, and we have learned a lot of topics. And so far, we have learned a lot of topics, and we have enhanced our HTML knowledge. So thank you, Vandana. Then thank you everyone for joining the HTML recapitulation class. From next week onwards, we will continue with the web designing class. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Disha, for your feedback, and I'm so overwhelmed by your response. Any others would like to share your experience having to join a class with me? Or can I call random members? Or is it okay? It was okay, right? Okay. So thank you.